So guys, I don't know. So I just want to like pull if I'm bored. I want to put in the comments what I should do. So I don't know when I'm going to make my next video. I just deleted all my videos. So let's get into the video. I'm just going to show you off some of my hobby accounts. Here's my videos. I got a Honda bike. Beautiful name of it, put it in the comments below. I got the Coolette. Let me get that. Okay. I got this Ferrari. I'm not sure what Ferrari this is. The Lamborghini Huracan. Kind of good car. Okay, that's how many cars I have. That's a lot now. A pink Ferrari. Lamborghini Diablo. Ferrari what is this? Ferrari F50.